Welcome. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to find communities in the Roblox app, updated for 2025. Whether you're looking to join groups of players with similar interests, connect with friends, or just explore what's out there, these steps will help you discover Roblox communities right from your phone. First, start by opening the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in the app, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled as More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This will open up a menu with several options for your account and app settings. From this menu, find and tap on Communities. This is the section where you can browse, join, or even manage the communities you're a part of. Communities are a great way to connect with other players who share your favorite games, interests, or Roblox experiences. Now at the top of the Communities page, you'll see a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type in keywords or the name of a community you're interested in. You can search for anything, from game genres and fan clubs to developer groups and more. As you type, Roblox will show you a list of matching communities. Browse through the results and tap on any community that catches your eye. Here, you can read more about what the community is about, see who's in it, and check out recent posts or discussions. If you find a community you want to join, simply tap the Join Community button. Some communities let you join instantly, while others might require approval from the owner or have specific requirements before you can become a member. And that's it. You're now ready to find and join communities on Roblox, making it easier than ever to connect, share, and play with others who love the same things you do. Happy exploring!